Well, we do have some snow headed this way. We have some rain headed this way. We have some frigid temperatures headed this way. Anything else we can throw in there?
Well, I can tell you what's not heading our way.
And
sunshine and warm temperatures. Because let me tell you that this weekend is going to be a pretty rough weekend for pretty much everyone. You see what's off to the west. That's the storm. It's starting to come together. It's actually starting to look like the system that we've been talking about, and it's pretty much holding up to schedule. So this is one that's going to be impacting us here in less than 24 hours. By late tomorrow morning, early tomorrow afternoon, we're going to be seeing accumulating snow already moving into the area. Clouds right now. Had some reports in northern Venango County of a few flurries up there, and you're actually going to see the snow arrive up north first, and that's early tomorrow morning. Possibly touching into Mercer, Venango County, a few flurries early on. That'll lift up by 7 a.m. closer to the lakeshore, and that's not going to be a concern for us down south of I-80. What is a concern to us down south of I-80 is what starts happening 10 a.m. You can start seeing that snow trying to creep in here. There's snow. There's a mix, which could include some freezing rain, and that little bit of green would indicate that there's going to be some rain coming in. So it's going to start off as pretty much everything right away. That moisture just blows up by lunchtime. We're looking at some moderate snows moving into Pittsburgh, still a mix down to the south, and this is going to accumulate rather quickly, and some rain even further south. That kicks up to the north, bringing more moisture our way, but it's also going to put that mix into the South Hills and eventually up into Pittsburgh. So for a period of time, Pittsburgh could see all rain. Now that's an issue because that washes away all your treatments that you have outside, and then they have to start from square one, and that snow is going to swing right back down late tomorrow night and early into Sunday. By Sunday afternoon, all the snow is going to be pretty much wrapped up other than maybe a flurry or two, but it is going to get very, very cold very, very quickly, so we could have a flash freeze. Anything that's not treated could become icy. The most intense snowfall, you'll notice Pittsburgh's here. The most intense snowfall is going to be just north of Pittsburgh as you get into Butler County, into parts of Beaver, Lawrence, Mercer, Venango, Clarion County. This is where we are considering the bullseye to be, the heaviest of the snow. South of Pittsburgh, you're going to still, Pittsburgh and Point South, I should say, there's still going to be significant snow. Now, the most significant ice is going to occur up in the ridges. This could bring down some trees and power lines, especially since there's not going to be wind shaking things, trying to keep that ice from forming. It's going to be a calmer situation as this is developing, and that's going to be very efficient for ice development. Now, when it comes to snowfall totals, remember, snow is not always, or snow amounts aren't always the most important thing. We're snow up to the north, 8 to 12 inches, 4 to 8. Pittsburgh up to basically 228, possibly up to Zelienople, Evans City area. 2 to 4 inches for the South Hills, 1 to 2 where it's mostly rain, but there are going to be some impacts with flash freezing. There's going to be some impacts with the potential of mix and some freezing rain down this way as well. So the storm begins late morning, early afternoon tomorrow. The most intense snow up north and significant icing potential in the ridges, and everyone's going to have at least some time where it's difficult to get around. 25 with cloudy skies tonight. This is about as calm as it's going to be, and tomorrow, especially late morning and afternoon, that's when that winter storm warning gets kicked into high gear. 36 for your high temperature. It will get significantly colder on Sunday, dangerous wind chills, and of course, very cold temperatures last into Monday. Then we start to warm it up again.